Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, Gusty's Plants. Tonight I have another unboxing, and I'm not even gonna say that I wasn't gonna do unboxings anymore because obviously I don't keep my word and I'm doing another unboxing. But I was on Coco Ranch website the minute she started doing her update. The minute she started uploading new Hoyas to her website, that's when I was on her website. And I happened to be at the right time, at the right place. Or at the right place at the same time, whatever. Part of why I order is because I saw that she had this Hoya in listing for $20. This is a very expensive Hoya that I already own, but at this price I had to get it just to make my already own Hoya a larger. So I have a Hoya caudata Sumatra. This is the one in silver splash. This is my Hoya, guys, and when I saw that Coco Ranch Suzanne added one of these single cuttings to her website for $20, I had to get it. And so this unboxing will include this Hoya plus another IML huge gigantic Hoya for $45. So let's go ahead and do the unboxing. So as always, this is the packaging. She also adds these packing peanuts to her products, to her packaging all the time, which is something I don't like, but it does make the plants arrive in healthy conditions, so they serve their purpose. But I personally wouldn't use these packing peanuts. I already kind of open up the box, so let me just get rid of the packing peanuts. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take out the Hoyas. So here's the first one out of the two. So this is the Hoya caudata Sumatra. So I'm gonna do a side-by-side comparison to the one that I already own and to this one. Alright, so this is the one that I already have. And then this is the new one that I got from Coco Ranch. This little baby, which I think it looks quite nice. It's a little dangly Hoya leaf. This is one of the smallest Hoya that I own at the moment, but I mean, so it is a very tiny leaf, and I was expecting it to be this little. She also had the pictures in the website, so I knew it was gonna be a small Hoya, but for the price, it's really good. Her packaging is always nice. I just think this is a very nice little Hoya, and my Hoya caudata that I already have is actually starting to grow a little tender with little leaves, so I'm really happy. Alright guys, so here is my little Hoya caudata for $20. This was a really good price. Guys, and the leaf just fell off. I just dropped the leaf, so oh my god, what have I done? It does have a little tendril right there that I might grow, but this little leaf, I'm gonna have to put it in the soil. Hopefully it will root. I'm devastated right now because I just cut the leaf, but I'm just gonna leave it right there. Hopefully it does root. Moving on. I don't know what I did. Alright guys, so this is the next Hoya. Oh my god guys, look at this. Okay. So this one arrived a little bit dangly. There you go. So here it is. This one here is called Hoya UT039. It doesn't have a particular name, it just has UT039. Usually with these Hoyas, they go based on the planet, you know, lines, the lines of the planet, however you call them, like the equator lines. that's where the Hoyas get the name. So this one got the name UT39 because that's where it is found in the equator, according to what I've learned. But let me just do a close-up on this one. So this Hoya has very glossy leaves and it has a really nice veining, and then when you touch it, it's thin, but it's also kind of like satin. It's very smooth, very silky to the touch. It feels really good, and kind of reminds me of like Hoya Elogurium and Hoya Microphylla Snow Queen. If you have both of those, this is kind of how the Hoya feels. But the leaves are very glossy. They're very glossy, very thin. And like I said, to the feel, when you touch it, it feels very delicate, like a satin sheets covers or like a satin pillowcase. That's how thin it feels. Very nice. Now let me remove. Coco Ranch always sends their Hoyas with like these little butterfly clips, which I know that a lot of people don't like. Let me remove these little butterfly clips so that you guys can see the length of this Hoya. I think it's a pretty nice chunky piece, and it's already rooted. So see, I think it's a nice chunky piece, which I'm going to trellis up in my little bamboo stick. Let me do it right now. So I did get my bamboo stick, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it here in the pot. Now I do have larger bamboo sticks, but I feel like this will be a nice one for it. Now this guy is gonna go straight into my greenhouse because I know that I could feel that it is a little bit dehydrated, and I really don't want this plant to die on me. So let me go ahead and use this little butterfly clips. Alright guys, perfect. So here is my Hoya already nice and trellised up, and I cannot wait for this Hoya to do great for me. Let me do a close-up so you guys can see how this Hoya looks. So this is it for today's video, doing another unboxing from Coco Ranch Hoyas. This one was a big failed, but I have faith that it will do good, so I'm gonna put it in the greenhouse along with this one too. Hoya UPT39, Hoya caudata Sumatra. I'm gonna put it in my greenhouse, and hopefully this little tender right there does grow nice. Anyways, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave me a comment down below, and I'm also going to start doing a Tea Time Tuesday every Tuesday, of course, where I'll talk about teas, and I will talk about Hoya updates, plant updates, and you name it. So if you guys want to leave me a question in the comments so that I could answer it this upcoming Tuesday, then that's it. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to drink water and water your plants. Bye bye.